fish.
You almost got the baby fish? And then it swim away? Oh.
What's up guys, this is Cookie again and you're watching KIESHE'S Vlogs. So yesterday, nakita mo sa mga pag-umangkon si Sander o si Zane. So we did a little vlog. Kasi sila request na mag-vlog lagi daw me. So what we did, we had a question nga murag fast talk pero kiddie edition. So watch this.
Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
What's your name?
Sander.
This is my nephew Sander. Asa ta ba adto daw?
Dagat.
At tumi sa dagat. So hulat na lang ta sa ilang uncle, no? Yes, so see you sa dagat. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Guys, na si Zane. What's your name? Zane. Igsoon ni silang duha. Si Kuya Sander and si Baby Zane. Asa ta adto Zane?
Dagat.
Dagat. Yay! Adto na mi. Ato silang ipasisa fish ha. Imo silang i-show mi mo ang fish ha later ha. Yay! Oh, unsa pa i-show?
Mukuan ko mag-swim.
Mag-swim. Sige. Sige, see you later sa beach. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You almost got the baby fish? And then, it swim away? Oh. Nagpangita sila fish. Pero wala man kayo fish diri karon kay mabaw man siya. Ito na yung pagka-English speaking si Sander. So, among buhatan karon guys, mag-fast talk me with my nephew and my nieces, si Zane o si Sander. Yay!
Hi.
Mag-fast talk me kids edition. Pamilingaw. Wait lang.
A few moments later.
Zane, pink or violet? Pink! Ikaw Kuya Sander. Sa'yo mo, policeman or fireman?
Policeman.
Policeman. Ikaw, Zane.
Doctor.
Sa'yo mong gusto, nurse or doctor?
Doctor.
Doctor. Ikaw, Zane. Sa'yo mong ganahan, cake or spaghetti? Spaghetti? You like spaghetti? Yeah, you like spaghetti, Kuya Sander? Ikaw, Kuya Sander, what do you like? Red or blue?
Red.
Red, you like red?
Because I like Red Ranger.
Red Ranger?
Yeah, because I like Pink na Ranger.
Pink Ranger. Ikaw si Pink Ranger, tapos si Kuya si Red Ranger.
Oh,
Ako si Blue Ranger. Mama Ranger. Ama ng Mama Ranger. Power Ranger. Sige, si Kuya. Unsa imong ganahan, Kuya? Cat or dog? Dog? You like dog? Zane, ikaw Zane. What do you like? Chicken or fish?
I also like chicken and fish and duck.
Both? You like chicken, fish, and duck?
Yeah. Fish ako.
Fish mo.
May fish o chicken o duck. Si alam ko among duck kay Harley.
Harley?
Oh, Harley. Nandiyan pa sila sa itong bayay ba?
Kabalay?
Oh.
Unsa imong ganahan? River or sea?
Si.
You like dagat?
Oh, gana.
You like to swim, no?
Aha.
Aha.
Hindi man kayo kung Kaya ko dagat yung swimming pool.
Ganahan ka dagat ng swimming pool. Si Zane, kabalo man mag-swim ba? Oh, grabe ko. You si Zane, uy. And then, Kuya Sander. Unsay ganahan ni mo dong?
Ha?
Unsay mong ganahan?
Yung
Car or bike?
car.
You like car? Unsay color sa imong car?
Yung kay policeman man.
Oh, blue. Kay policeman, same sa imong shirt. Ay, sa imong rash guard.
Oh, rash guard.
Blue. Ikaw, Zane.
Sa swimsuit kay rash guard.
Yes. Ikaw, Zane. Unsay imong ganahan? Car or bike?
Car.
Car imong ganahan? Unsa color sa car?
White.
Oh,
Doctor man ng white.
Oh, grabe. My kids, the kids are so smart. Grabe kaayo bay. Smart man kaayo bay. And then, how old are you na Zane?
One ka kung dad.
She was from I think you're 4 already? How old na si Zane?
5.
Ikaw?
8.
8. 5 si Bujing. Tapos ikaw, 8.
Yung cake nag-project ay 8 pa siya.
8 pa siya. Unsa imong ganahan? Si Cinderella or si Snow White?
Cinderella.
Cinderella? Mabi kayo bay. Ikaw kuya,
Oh.
kinsa imong ganahan? Si kinsa man ang mga ano? Ay, si Batman or si Superman?
Superman.
Si Iron Man or si Black Panther?
Black Panther.
Oh, grabe. Ikaw, Zane. Kinsa imong ganahan? Si Wonder Woman or si Pink Power Ranger?
Wonder Woman.
Oh, Wonder Woman. Grabe ka. Ay, uy, grabe.
Palagi Papa sa Christmas og Power Ranger.
Okay, ignan na to si Papa, ha?
Ako naman ganyan.
Okay. Fast Talk Kids Edition. So, until next vlog, kung wala pa mo nakasubscribe dito, please hit the like and subscription button para po ma-update mo sa mga new vlogs. So, this is Cookie again, and you're watching KIESHE'S Vlogs. So, until next vlog, bye-bye na!
Bye!
Bye!